Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Android Club. Now we are going to see 3 best photo scanner application for Android. Before getting to this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Now let's get into the video. Have you ever imagined an application that scans your photos and that turns into a beautifully cropped images? Yes, we are going to see 3 best photo scanner applications that turns your photo into a scanned image. Number 3. Kaga Scanner. Kaga Scanner is a free application tool that acts as a PDF scanner and best document scanner. Kaga Scanner is the best Indian application alternative to Cam Scanner application, which enables you to scan documents, converts images to PDF, or enhance your documents. Features of Kagas app includes no sign-in required, ads-free scanning, completely free to use, and custom watermark. Kagas is a free-to-use offline PDF creator used to scan documents easily. Kagas is a perfect app to work as a camera scanner, document scanner, or for multi-page PDF scanning. This app is completely made in India. Open Kaga Scanner application. Click this plus icon to enter into photo mode. This is the photo that I want to convert into image. To do that, simply take a photo of this image and click proceed. Here you can crop your image to its correct position by simply dragging this corner of this image to its correct position. And click next. Now you can add more filters to this image by using Magic Color 1, Magic Color 2, White Magic, Black and White mode, and Grey mode. If you don't want any of these options, you can simply use the original color mode and click done. Here you can back up your photo by simply clicking on backup on cloud option. You can share your photo by using share document option. You can share as both image and PDF format. You can view this photo with PDF format by using view PDF option. You can also add your own watermark to this image by simply clicking on settings and click on add your own watermark option. This app enables security by 2 methods. Enable your phone lock as app lock option. Here you have to enter your phone lock password as your app lock, or set up a separate app lock for Kagas option to lock your application. Number 2. Photo Scan by Google Photos. This app is designed for the use of photos from the past to meet the scanner from the future. PhotoScan is a new scanner app from Google Photos that lets you scan and save your favorite printed photos using your phone's camera. Reasons to use PhotoScan: picture perfect and glare-free scans, create enhanced digital scans, automatic cropping based on edge detection, straight and rectangular scans with perspective correction, capture your favorite printed photos quickly and easily, and back up your scans with free Google Photos. To use this application, open the PhotoScan application. This is the photo that I want to convert into image. To do that, simply click on this button and allow this circle to move to this corner by tilting your device. And now you have converted into image. You can also crop this image by using adjust corner option. And click done. And now you have successfully converted your photo into image by using PhotoScan application. Number 1. PhotoScan app by Photomine. Photomine is the fastest and easiest way to turn photographs into live digital records and share them with others. Features of Photomine include scan multiple physical photographs in a single shot, scan an entire photo album in minutes, the photo scanner auto detects picture boundaries, auto rotates sideways pictures, crops, restores, colors, and save them into digital album, adds audio recording, and apply color filters and colorize black and white photos. To scan multiple photos, open Photomine application. And start scanning. And allow Photomine application to take pictures and record video option. These are the two photos that I want to scan and convert into an image. To do that, simply click and hold this button, and Photomine application will automatically crop your image. You can share these images to social media. These are the 3 applications that you can scan and convert your photo into images. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this video.